Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the topic urine formation. So urine formation that takes place inside the kidney and inside the kidney in the nephron, because the structural and functional unit of kidney is known as nephron. So there are the three steps of urine formation. First is the ultrafiltration, second reabsorption, and third is tubular secretion. So this ultrafiltration, it is also known as glomerular filtration. And this reabsorption, it is also known as tubular reabsorption. And the third step, that is the tubular secretion. So what is ultrafiltration or glomerular filtration? If I'm telling you, you have to filter anything, so what you will do, you can take a funnel like this and one beaker is there. So you can put that material inside this funnel, or you can use filter paper here, and then it is filtered in this beaker. So this process is known as filtration, and this filtration is done in the nephron, and the nephron has the different parts. We have discussed the renal corpuscles and the renal tubule, and in the renal corpuscles, glomerular and the Bowman capsule is there. So here today we have to discuss the first step, that is the glomerular filtration in this video. So it is very clear from the name, glomerular filtration means filtration takes place in the glomerulus part of nephron. So what is glomerulus? Glomerulus, it is the bunch of the capillaries. It is the bunch of the capillaries that is present inside the Bowman capsule. So that is the shape of the Bowman capsule, and we can write here Bowman's capsule. And inside this Bowman capsule, the afferent arteriole that is entering and the efferent arteriole that is exiting. So here the tuft of the blood capillaries, are present inside this structure, and this tuft of capillaries is nothing but it is the glomerulus. So the filtration of blood takes place through this glomerulus and through the Bowman capsule. And how it takes place? It takes place through the different layers of the Bowman capsule and also that glomerulus. So the Bowman capsule, it has the epithelial cells on the outer region also and on the inner region also. So that is the layer. So we can say the outer epithelium of Bowman capsule. And here the inner layer of cells are also present, and the inner cells that are the different types, they have the pores inside it like a slit. एक छलनी की तरह उनके अंदर pores होती हैं, and these types of cells, these are known as the podocytes. And there is the main role of the podocyte in the ultrafiltration step, and that is the second layer. We can say the inner layer of Bowman capsule, inner parietal layer you can say. So the inner layer of Bowman capsule. And glomerulus, that is made up of bunch of capillaries So these capillaries, these are also made up of the mesodermal layer, and that mesodermal layer is known as endothelium. So the epithelium of blood vessels, that is known as endothelium. And between this endothelium and the podocyte cells, here the basement membrane is present. So it is the basement membrane. So this ultrafiltration that takes place between these three layers, first is the endothelium, second is the basement membrane, and third, that is the podocyte, this podocyte. Okay, so there are the three layers, and through these three layers there is the filtration of the blood takes place. What are these three layers? First is the endothelium of glomerulus, second is the basement membrane, which is present between the Bowman capsule and between the glomerulus, and third, that is the podocytes. So through these layers there is the filtration of blood takes place, and here very fine filtration takes place, so it is known as ultrafiltration. Means all the component of the blood except the plasma and the proteins that are remained in the blood, otherwise all the component that are filtered from this part of the Bowman capsule. So it is known as the ultrafiltration. So our kidney, that is doing 1100 to 1200 ml of filtrate per minute, and that volume is equal to the 1/5th part of the each ventricle that is pumped by the ventricle. So heart have the 4 chambers, 2 are the auricles and 2 are the ventricles. So that is pumped by the each ventricle. So the walls of the ventricle, that is very thick, and the very you can say that 70 ml of blood that is pumped by this, and the 1/5th part of this ventricle, that volume is equal to the filtration that is done by the glomerulus. So that is about the ultrafiltration. The amount of filtrate that is filtered by each kidney per minute, that is known as the glomerular filtration rate, or we can say GFR. So G stands for glomerular, F stands for filtration, and R stands for the rate. So it is known as the glomerular filtration rate. So the amount of the filtrate formed by the kidney per minute, and its amount is 125 ml per minute, or we can say 180 liter per day. So it is known as the GFR. So this question always come that what is GFR? So the amount of the filtrate that is filtered by the glomerulus per minute, that is glomerular filtration rate, GFR. And there are the some internal mechanism. If we have to regulate the function of the kidney, then we have to maintain this also, GFR, glomerular filtration rate, and it can be regulated during the summer season or during the winter season, and it also affect on the tubular reabsorption and the tubular secretion. So I think you understood what is GFR. Kidney have the different mechanism to control this glomerular filtration rate. So an internal mechanism is present inside the distal convoluted tubule. Means firstly it is proximal, then loop of Henle, and then the distal convoluted tubule and the afferent arteriole. So there are the some cellular modification takes place in the distal convoluted tubule and the afferent arteriole at their contact. So it is the afferent arteriole and it is the efferent arteriole. So here some cellular modification is there, and that cellular modification is known as JGA, juxtaglomerular apparatus. And this juxtaglomerular apparatus, it is highly sensitive to fall in the GFR. So if there is the fall in the GFR, means glomerular filtration rate is slows down, then it can be automatically activated. Further modifications are there, that juxtaglomerular cells release renin and the further mechanism. So that we will discuss in the topic of regulation of kidney function. So here we have to just discuss the ultrafiltration. So I think you understood what is ultrafiltration. Means it is done in the glomerular part of the renal corpuscles, and here the blood is filtered through these three different layers, and all the constituents are filtered except the large proteins. So that is ultrafiltration. Thank you.